Why do some people achieve great wealth and success while others remain in the same spot forever? Is it just luck? No. The secret is actually quite simple. It is all about their mindset. Today's story will illustrate how one man transformed his entire life just by thinking big. Stay tuned, because this lesson might change your life too. Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, lived a man named Daniel. Daniel worked in a modest bicycle repair shop. Day after day, he fixed flat tires, oiled chains, and replaced broken parts. He made very little money, barely enough to get by. He often told himself, "This is my reality. I cannot achieve anything more." One evening, a stranger arrived at Daniel's shop with a shiny, modern electric bike. Daniel was amazed. He had never seen a machine like that before. The stranger smiled and said, "These bikes are the future. Someday, everyone will be riding them." That night, Daniel lay awake. The future, he wondered. I struggle just to pay my rent. How can I possibly worry about the future? Yet the stranger's words echoed in his mind. These bikes are the future. For the very first time, Daniel challenged himself. What if I didn't just fix bikes? What if I could sell them? What if I could build something greater? It seemed impossible. After all, he was just a poor repairman. But a quiet voice inside him whispered, "Think bigger." The next day, Daniel started talking to his customers differently. He asked them, "What kind of bike do you wish you had? What struggles do you face on the road?" He carefully noted down all their answers. Gradually, Daniel's perspective began to shift. He stopped seeing himself merely as a mechanic. He began to view himself as an entrepreneur. Eventually, he took a bold step. He bought 2 electric bikes on credit. It was a huge risk. He displayed them in front of his shop with a sign that read, "The future of biking starts here." At first, people mocked him. Some whispered, "Who has the money for such expensive bikes?" But just 1 week later, Daniel sold his first electric bike. The profit from that single sale was more than he usually made in an entire month. Daniel realized a powerful truth. When you think small, your world stays small. But when you think big, new opportunities appear. Month after month, Daniel's business grew. He sold more electric bikes. He continued repairing old ones. He even launched a local delivery service using his e-bikes. The poor repairman had become the owner of the town's premier modern bike company. One day, the stranger who had inspired him returned. Daniel beamed and said, "Do you remember telling me these bikes were the future? Well, today I am living that future." Friends, this is the magic of thinking big. Your thoughts define your reality. If you believe you are small, you will remain small. But if you believe you can grow, you will discover new paths to success. So ask yourself, am I thinking small or am I thinking big? Because when your mindset expands, your life expands with it. If you found value in this story, please like the video, share it with a friend. Always remember, think big.